Hello and welcome to Such the Reality. I'm Nana Sareen and you're watching the Reality Rundown. In today's bulletin, we bring you the latest updates from across the nation, state and region. Have a look. Dhanmani Bhatt, a 28-year-old from Girimari, Mangaldoy, was discovered dead under mysterious circumstances on October 4th in Guwahati. His sudden death has shocked the community as he was preparing for his upcoming wedding. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma criticized the Congress party at a rally in Palwan, Haryana, accusing its leadership of neglecting promises made to women and failing to honor its commitments. In response to rising tensions, the Forest Department in Collier is intensifying efforts to protect locals from the growing threat of tigers. Blank firing was used to scare off the predators, while tea workers at Sonari Tea Estate report frequent tiger sightings, heightening community anxiety. Chirang police arrested 34-year-old Taijuddin Sheikh in Balimari for allegedly selling illegal wildlife body parts. During the raid, officials seized 2 tiger teeth and a set of deer antlers, underscoring the growing concern over wildlife smuggling and its threat to biodiversity in the region. The newly constructed Dalbari police outpost was officially inaugurated today, a move set to bolster law enforcement in Buxar district. The event was attended by top police officials and was led by the Director General of Police, marking a key development for the region. Abhayapuri police arrested 35-year-old Ganesh Mandal from Ganeshpur during a raid in Bangaigaon district. Acting on a tip-off, the police intercepted Mandal in Singimari, seizing 15 kilograms of ganja hidden in his possession while he was travelling on a motorcycle from Khagarpur to Abhayapuri. A 23-year-old nursing graduate tragically died from severe blood loss during sexual intercourse at a hotel in Navsari, Gujarat. The woman's boyfriend has been arrested on charges of negligence after failing to seek timely medical help as she lost consciousness and died before reaching the hospital. Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar inaugurated a new building for the Government Industrial Training Institute in Patna city and laid the foundation for 87 industrial training institutes, marking them as centers of excellence. This initiative aims to enhance vocational training and skill development in the state. Sanjay Raut, Shiv Sena MP, criticized Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis' comments on vote jihad, asserting that voting is a fundamental right for all communities. He questioned the implications of Fadnavis' remarks, referencing the Triple Talaq law and suggesting that attributing community voting patterns to vote jihad undermines the essence of democracy. Joint CP Sanjay Kumar Jain confirmed that Dr. Javed, a Unani practitioner, was shot dead at his clinic around 1:30 a.m. 2 suspects identified through CCTV footage are believed to have carried out the attack due to a personal issue. The police are actively pursuing the suspects and investigating the motive behind the killing. Thank you. For more updates, keep watching Such the Reality.